Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the second question in exercise 7.6. The first subdivision is integral of 2x squared plus 1 divided by x squared minus 3x plus 2 dx. The degree of the numerator and the denominator is the same. So let's first perform long division. So 2x squared, since there's an x term missing, I'm putting this as 0x plus 1 should be divided by x squared minus 3x plus 2. So divide 2x squared by x squared, you get 2. So 2 into x squared is 2x squared. 2 into minus 3x is minus 6x. 2 into plus 2 is plus 4. Now let's perform the subtraction. So you'll get 6x minus 3. Now the fraction can be rewritten as integral of 2 plus 6x minus 3 divided by x squared minus 3x plus 2 dx. I'm using the quotient plus remainder by divisor format to rewrite this fraction. Now let's break the integration. So this is 2 into integral dx plus integral of 6x minus 3 by x squared minus 3x plus 2 dx. Now this can be rewritten as 2 into integral dx. This will become 6x minus 3, the whole thing divided by, I'm splitting the middle terms, becomes 2 into integral of dx plus integral of 6x minus 3 divided by x minus 2 into x minus 1 dx. Now let's do the partial fractions. So a divided by x minus 2 plus b divided by x minus 1 is 6x minus 3 divided by x minus 2 into x minus 1. So a into x minus 1 plus b into x minus 2 is equal to 6x minus 3. Now let's put x is equal to 1, which means a into 0 plus b into minus 1 is equal to 3. So b will be equal to minus 3. Now let's put x is equal to 2. So a into 1 will be equal to 12 minus 3 is 9. So a is equal to 9. Now let's change this fractions. So the first part I'm doing direct integration. So 2x plus integral of a divided by x minus 2 dx plus integral minus 3 divided by x minus 1 dx. So this is 2x plus 9 into integral of dx divided by x minus 2 minus 3 into integral dx divided by x minus 1. Now if you perform integration by doing substitution, the first term is direct integration done. So this part x minus 2, if you put it as t, this will become dt by t. So this is 9 log of x minus 2 minus 3 into, similarly if we put x minus 1 is equal to t, this integration will reduce to dt by t. So this is minus 3 log of t, which is x minus 1 plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision in this question. Integral of x squared plus 1 divided by x squared minus 5x plus 6. Now let's perform long division. So x squared plus 0x plus 1, you have to divide with x squared minus 5x plus 6. So 1 into x squared is x squared. So 1 into x squared minus 5x plus 6, if you do on subtraction, you get 5x minus 5. So the integration will reduce into 1 dx plus integral of 5x minus 5 divided by x square minus 5x plus 6 dx. So the first one I'm directly integrating. So x plus, here I can take the 5 outside. This is going to be x minus 1 divided by x squared minus 5x plus 6 dx. Now we can perform this x squared minus 5x plus 6. I'm going to do split the middle term. So x squared plus 5 into x minus 1 divided by, this will be split as x minus 3 into x minus 2 dx. Now let's do partial fractions. So a divided by x minus 3 plus b divided by x minus 2 is equal to x minus 1 by x minus 3 into x minus 2. So a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 3 is equal to x minus 1. Let's put x is equal to 2. So a into 0 plus b into minus 1 is equal to 1. So b is equal to minus 1. Now put x is equal to 3. A into 1 plus b into 0 is equal to 2. So a is equal to 2. Now this particular partial fraction, let's see how that gets changed. So this will be x plus 5 into, remember we are breaking it into two integrations. So this is 2 divided by x minus 3 dx minus 5 into integral dx divided by x minus 2. So now if you calculate, you can do a substitution of x minus 3 as t. So this particular integration will reduce into plus 10 integral of dt divided by t minus 5 into integral. Here if I put x minus 2 as u, this dx will become du by u. So on direct integration, it is x plus 10 log t is x minus 3 minus 5 log x minus 2 because u is x minus 2 plus c. In the next video, we will find the solution to the third question in this exercise. See you in the next video.